जस्टीस मागपाक इतले यूथ आणि सगळे फुडें सरल्यात. आमी जस्टीस मागपाक फक्त 10 मिनटां जाली म्हणजे अर्दे वर जालें एनावन्स केलां आनी सगळीं यूथ भुरगीं लागीं जाल्यात. हे जर 2 वरांनी इतले भुरगे लागीं जातात जाल्यार एका दिसान कितले लागीं जातले इतले समजावपाक जाय. जस्टीस मागता जस्टीस दिवपाक जाय. आमी कोणाचें घर मागनात, कोणाचें काय मागनात, फक्त ताका कायद्यान कितें आहा तें मागतात. आनी कायद्यान कितें सिस्टम आहा ती दिवची आमकां. हेच्या पलीकडे काय मागना आमी. गव्हर्मेंटाक कसलो प्रेशर हाडिनात, कसलो फोर्स हाडिनात. कितें पेपराचेर कायदो आहा तो दिवचो, जावं तेचेर न्याय गावचो. ताका कितें तरी घडलां तेजेर सारको न्याय गावचो. कमी ही भयण तेजी तेंचे दोळे पळयात पयले दादो चमचणे.
Yes.
Yeah, come here.
Madam, what was the reason to take remove a protest today?
Because the cops and all are not suspended for all whatever they have done, and my brother is no more anymore, and I don't want this to happen to anyone else. So because of which we have to do all this, because anyone can be a victim of all this now that is going on. And
Today you all went to the Maksa police station
yeah, we went to the Maksa police station.
regarding the postmortem report, no?
Yeah, they were not giving us the postmortem report in the initially, and then after that they gave us then after the postmortem report. What is the family's demand now? Huh?
What are your final demands?
Justice. We want justice. We want justice for my brother. We want that arrest of that person who has done all these things to my brother, because of which all the harassment that he has endured in the police station, everything, we don't know what has happened. The second injury was like totally unexpected, like what happened to my brother. Like we didn't know anything, he didn't even tell us anything, and it was like, that's why they were not giving us the post-mortem report. They were like delaying the post-mortem report and all for all these reasons. They were like they were not giving us only the post-mortem report. We were asking them why. Then the cops and all over there, they were like, no, we want to clear it up with our this. That's why we have our queries and all. That's why we are not giving you. You all can only see the post-mortem report. You all can't do. We can't hand it over. They showed us. He showed me, and he's like, you can't take photos and you can't take it. So and then we came back home then, and then after that he called me on my phone and he's like, come. I said, I'm not coming if you all are not giving me the report. If you all are giving me the report only, I'll be coming. Then finally after some time, I don't know what happened, then he said, come, you collect the report over there. And yeah, that's what happened. And all this social media, whatever all these people have disclosed his face and caused him embarrassment and shame and all of that he has, like, it has taken, because of that he is no more. All those pages should come down, and especially the cops, like the way they treated us over there in the police station, that has to be like changed, like for good, because it cannot continue anymore like with any other person, like, because we don't, like, if any new person comes to the police station who has never been to a police station, this is not what they need to go through. This can't be what they go through, like what we went through.